Alright, this isn't really an AMC problem here. This is just a video teaching you something I found neat with the number 3, okay? So we're gonna draw a little line through the paper right here. Alright, so let's start off with our factors of 3, okay? Or not our factors, our multiples of 3. Let me ask you a question. Is 21 divisible by 3? Well, yes, 3 times 7 is divisible by 3. Yes, so we're gonna check that. Let's say is 36 divisible by 3? Well, yes, 36 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 12 is 36. This one's a little trickier. Is 42 divisible by 3? 42 is divisible by 3 because 42, or I'm sorry, 3 times 14 is 42. Okay, now let me give you something really complicated. Is 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 1. Is that divisible by 3? Well, so the first thing you might do is just go, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 1. You might divide by 3, and yes, sure, you'll see that it's divisible by 3, but you might be wasting your time on finding if it's divisible by 3 because there's an interesting property of the multiples of 3. All right, all right, I'm writing something down. If an n digit number is divisible by 3, all right. If an n digit number is why I write in is divisible by 3, I'm just gonna write it like that. Then the digits, some bad handwriting right here. Will add up to a factor of 3. Alright, so if an n-digit number is divisible by 3, then the digits will add up to a factor of 3. And let me show you what I mean, alright? So yes, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 1, that is a factor of 3, right? You may divide it like that. Or we can just add up the digits and see if it's a factor of 3, right? So if I added 6 plus 1 plus 2, which is 7, 9, plus 3, which is 12, plus 5, 14, plus 2, 16, plus 1 plus 1, which is 18. 18 is a factor of 3. And we know this, all right? So that means if 18 is a factor of 3, then this whole thing right here is a factor of 3. And let's start off. Let me show you an example of something we already know right here. We knew that 21 was a factor of 3. But let's add up 2 plus 1. What's 2 plus 1? That is 3. And 3 is a factor of 3. What about 36 right here? 36, yes, we knew 36 is a factor of 3. But we could also say 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 is also a factor of 3. So that means 36 must be a factor of 3. And with 42 right here, 42, we knew 42 was a factor of 3 before we knew this property. But guess what? Look at 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is a factor of 3, all right? And so, just remember this right here. I thought this was really neat, all right, with the number 3. And let me leave you with something. Let me leave you with something else. Is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Is that a factor of 3? Alright, I want you to find that on your own, alright? And I'll just end the video right there, and I'll leave you with this problem. Is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 7, 9 a factor of 3, alright? Don't divide it. Use what we learned right here. Okay? And there you go.